Hello! Today is day 4 and I am just headed to dinner. It is 7:13 right now. So before I took you around this way to the main chalet, but we found a shortcut and we're gonna go this way around, and I'm going to take you back that way. Sessions today have been really good. Yesterday I had a really good pronunciation session. We were going over TH and F with the participants and practicing their speaking and some other pronunciations with a TH and the D sound, and all the participants have been really improving during their time here. They're really eager to learn and try the language, and they are eager to learn. And tomorrow is day 5, and in the afternoon we'll have presentations. They have a presentation and they had to pick a topic that they want to talk about, and they have to present on the topic for up to 5 minutes in front of all the participants and mentors. And on day 2, you're given the participant who you'll be working with for their presentation, and you just kind of talk to them and find out what they wanted to talk about and help them along with their presentation. So in the morning, you usually work on the presentations for like an hour. So on the second day, when you get your participants, you're kind of just talking with them and figuring out what they want to present on. And then by day 5, they should be ready to present to everybody. And sometimes they'll send the horses out, they'll let them be free, and they'll be grazing in this field. So this is like a secret shortcut. If I go this way and then I go back up that way towards the main chalet, but I'm gonna take you this way. And today has been the same, busy with different conversations, debate, group activity. We had a group activity where we were given a list of people and of well-known people of different eras, different times, like Mother Teresa, Steve Jobs, Leonardo da Vinci, and we were given a prompt. We had to pick who we would want to help rebuild in the future, and we had to pick 3 names from that list and then come up with 3 names of our own. So that was an activity. And just before this break, I had a lovely conversation session with one of the participants. Some people you just really click with, and it's just awesome. Me and this participant clicked on the first day, and we were just waiting to get paired together for the conversation session, and finally on day 4 they paired us together, and it was really nice. We had a really lovely conversation, just talking about a whole bunch of things, talking about this experience and learning English and conversating in English and about life. So it's kind of informal in the sense that you're free to talk about different topics with the participants. You are given prompts if you want to talk about the prompts, but you are free to explore each other's minds and find other topics to talk about. Okay, I'm headed up for dinner. I'm glad we could chat. Tomorrow is day 5, presentations, and then day 6 on Friday. And then we leave. I have made such great connections with the other mentors and the participants here. This week really has been awesome. And I mean, I feel like I honestly can't talk about this program enough. So, if you're looking for a volunteer opportunity, this is the one. Alright, I'll chat with you tomorrow. Bye.